Does anybody else just want fresh air in the car without blasting the aircon?
Simple upgrade, big difference. I just want a bit of fresh air when I'm driving, but the second I open the window, rain gets in or it's loud, windy, just annoying. I've tried cracking the window open the tiniest bit, using the fan instead, or just dealing with it, and none of it actually solves the problem. So I fitted Edgevisors. They're wind deflectors to fit your exact car. They take minutes to install with no tools, and they let you keep the windows open for airflow without rain getting in or wind blasting you. I get why so many people use these now. Over 500,000 sets sold in the UK. And honestly, it's one of those upgrades you don't think you need until you have it.